Welcome to Students in my class. My name is Farah Hassan. Subscribe my channel. Let's start today's class exercise number 8.2. Question number 5. A VCR and TV were bought for rupees 8,000 rupees each. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on the VCR and a profit of 8% on the TV. Find the gain or loss percentage on the whole transaction. So, student, cost price given of VCR and TV 8,000 rupees each. Okay, cost price given. Selling price not given. But shopkeeper sells VCR at a loss of 4% and sells TV at a loss of 8%. So profit and loss given, but selling price not given of VCR and TV. So find the VCR selling price and TV selling price. Okay. After find out of amount of loss and amount of profit. Okay, and then total whole transaction is VCR and TV both sell. Find gain or loss percentage. Okay, so question divided into three parts. First we find out the amount of loss and amount of profit and selling price of VCR and TV, and then find the loss or gain on whole transaction. Let's start, students. Mm, Cost price, we start from VCR because VCR first. Start from VCR. Cost price given 8,000 rupees. Okay, 8,000 rupees cost price of VCR, 8,000 rupees cost of TV. So sales VCR at a loss of 4%. So loss is 4% of 8,000, and you told in previous class that always loss and profit calculate on cost price. Okay, so loss 4% of cost price. Now amount of loss find out, because this is the percentage. So amount of loss find out 4 upon 100 multiply by 4 upon, okay, 800, 8,000. 0 0 cancel. 4 multiply by 80. 0 4 0 0 4 8 the 32. 320 rupees amount of loss. Now find out the selling price of VCR, because we all the work for VCR. Selling price find out. So students, take an example for understanding this situation. Suppose we take purchase a pen at 30 rupees. This is the cost price, and sales this pen at 20 rupees. This is the selling price. So profit or loss? Loss. How many loss? How many? 10 rupees loss. Okay. So it means that cost price minus loss is equal to selling price. Cost price minus 10, 30 rupees minus 10 is equal to 20 rupees. So cost minus loss is equal to selling price. Okay. Cost price minus minus loss is equal to selling price. So selling price find out of VCR. Cost price 8,000. Loss 320 rupees. Selling price find out. 8,000 minus 320. 0, 1 taking a 10, 10 minus 2, 8, 7, 9 remainder, 9 minus 3, 6, 7 remainder. Okay. So selling price is 7,680 rupees. This is the selling price of VCR. Now work for the TV. cost price of TV is, you know that, 8,000 rupees. Profit, next page use cost price 8,000 of TV and profit is given 8%, 8% of 8,000. Always calculate on cost price. Now amount of profit find out. 8 upon 100 multiplied by 8,000. 0 0 cancel. Okay. So 8 multiplied by 80. 8 is the 64. Amount of profit find out 640 rupees. So students, you know that selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. For understanding this, take an example. Suppose we purchase a pen at 30 rupees and sell it 40 rupees. So this is the cost price and this is the selling price. Profit is 10 rupees. So cost price plus profit is equal to selling price. Okay. Cost price plus profit is equal to selling price. So cost price given 8,000 and profit given 640 rupees. So add these 8,000 plus 640 rupees. 0468. 8,640 rupees selling price. Find the gain or loss percentage on the whole transaction. So for this gain or loss percentage on the whole transaction, so total cost price find out and total selling price find out. Now what is the total cost price? Total cost price means cost price of TV and cost price of VCR, and you know that 8,000 rupees each cost price of TV and VCR. For your understanding, VCR cost price and TV cost price. 16,000 total cost price find out. Now total selling price find out. Total selling price means VCR selling price plus TV selling price. VCR selling price is 7,680 rupees and the selling price of TV is 8,640 rupees. Add this 0 12, 8 plus 4 12, 6 plus 6 12, 13, 8x plus 16. Total selling price find out 16,320. So students, if selling price greater than cost price, so profit find out, and if cost price greater than selling price, so loss find out. So selling price greater than cost price, so profit. Okay, and if cost price greater than selling price, so loss find out. Okay, so let's see. Selling price is greater than cost price. Selling price greater than cost price, it means that profit find out. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. And it is a simple way that if you purchase a pen at 30 rupees and sales this pen at 40 rupees, so it means that selling price is greater than cost price, so you avail profit. Okay, so selling price greater than cost price, selling price minus cost price, minus cost price, profit is 320 rupees. But this is a profit, this is not a percentage. So find out the profit percentage, because question ask percentage, find out loss or profit. Profit percentage, find out 320 multiply by 100. When we need when we find out percentage, so always multiply by 100, you know. So profit percentage find out, so profit multiply by 100 out of total cost price. Why total cost price right here? Because always profit and loss calculate on cost price. Total cost price taken. Okay. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, and 0 0 cancel. Okay. 2 8 the 16, 2 1 the 2, 1 give you 2 6 the 12, 2 4 the 8, 2 8 the 16, 2 2 the 4, 2 4 the 8, 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4. Profit percentage is answer right here. 2%. Okay, 2%. So students, repeat this question again. Cost price given of PCR, loss amount find out 320 rupees, because loss 4%, amount find out. Cost price minus loss is equal to selling price. Now T work for the TV. Cost price given 8,000 and profit 8%. Of amount of profit find out, and always calculate profit and loss on cost price. So amount of profit has been find out. Now selling price equals to cost price plus profit. Selling price find out. Now total cost price means VCR and TV cost price add, and total selling price means VCR and TV selling price add. Okay, selling price is greater than cost price, so profit find out. And now profit percentage find out, so profit taken and multiply by 100, because when we find out the percentage, so always multiply by 100, and out of total cost price, because profit and loss always calculate on cost price. We multiply we find out percentage whole transaction with total cost price taken. Okay, so profit percentage find out 2%. Okay friends, take care, bye.